So here's a dance on S&P this morning. It's been massive bearish correction, and this is ultimate Fibonacci support we've been watching the entire morning. Buyers picking up this steam. As you witnessed identical structure yesterday morning, as one tick makes a world of difference. Stop limit long at 28.2275. S&P moves in quarters. Never forget that. If your bracket order set up correctly, you are not in a trade. Stop order sitting and waiting for you. You understand that this market way overextended. You understand how crucial this moment is. We discussed that buyers remain fully in charge. We discussed that market extremely high. We discussed that selling pressure extremely weak. We discussed that this is a level that's causing major problem. Buyers skyrocketing through this level. This will be ultimate war zone. As we discussed yesterday before trading room close. Identical structure. So pay attention to what will play out next. One tick makes a world of difference. Speculative stops, speculative targets will never work. Massive number of trades in front of me. For the trading room, I bring up one. Key moment on S&P. Stop limit order is executed for trader who knows how to properly place a trade. What a morning, what a lesson of mastering sniper's mentality. We stayed out through so much junk, we stayed out through so much fluff, we stayed out through ultimate correction in the market. We knew that institutional bias remains firmly bullish. Are you surprised? Prices instantly moved in our direction. Massive number of trades in front of me. Every single trade, different stop, different target. And this is what you learn in the course. How to trade proprietary Fibonacci method that applies to anything and every instrument and every platform. Time and time again, this is far from ideal. Why? We're extremely high. Fibonacci resistance not high. Is this expected? What you're seeing in front of you, this pullback? Absolutely. This is what we're struggling with, third hour in a row. Level identified since yesterday morning in a play on 1 minute chart. Only Fibonacci will give you this much accuracy. Nothing else ever will. Only if you apply sniper's mentality, only if you get rid of trigger happy cowboy mentality, you will succeed. Do you remember what played out at the time of oil news at this Fibonacci resistance? Is anyone surprised? This is key Fibonacci target. Adjust your trail very close. Key Fibonacci target is reached. Stop outside of break-even. This is how you trade. So if you manage to pull 2 points on S&P in this overextended bullish rally, if you're scaling out accordingly, and you add the lot size, what is 2 points on S&P? $100 on one contract. What is it on 10 contracts? $1,000. What is it on 20 contracts? $2,000. What if you play by the rules? The sky's the limit. Identical formula you witnessed on oil at the time of oil news. Do you remember this? If you missed the previous video I recorded, pretty please do review. It's all the same formula, no matter what you trade. That's what played out on oil. Bullish news did not mean a thing. Oil back up to this level. Do you know what to do? In the course you learn that this is key Fibonacci target. In the course you learn moving your stop outside of break-even and scaling out accordingly is a key, no matter what you trade. And this is what Sam will be sharing in the webinar tomorrow. Webinar available only to the graduates of the course, no one else. Stories like Sam melts my heart and the reason I live and breathe what I do. Everything else, background noise. You serious about trading? Master the price. Don't use indicators. That's what you're seeing in front of you every day. Ultimate sniper's mentality, ultimate knowledge, ultimate discipline. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Adjust your trail even closer. S&P did this on hourly charts 3 hours in a row. As I warned you, do not buy into this level. Buy as low as possible. Price did not retrace as low as possible. Price giving us only this Fibonacci support as expected. Not the place to short into. This Fibonacci target as expected, not the place to buy into. Stunning reminder, institutions continue buying this market. Stunning reminder, most challenging day trading conditions on record for a very good reason. Bullish rally overextended. Bullish crawl is on. All the details in the course. Institutional bias remains bullish. 2700 number is respected. You shorting this market, you're shorting against institutions. Only option left to buy this high. And that's the core of the method. Trend inception not present during trading room hours. Rules are met, take a trade. Only option was present to buy a little too high. Shorting against institutions, not an option. Shock or not, as expected, S&P collapsing from this level. Is everyone seeing that? To the tick. Never pull a trigger randomly, never speculate. Quality, not quantity, is a key to your success. And here is the account statement from Sam. Boom. Look at loss and profit. Loss drastically smaller than the profit. 1800 versus 257. This is 99% accuracy and success with options using my method. Can you do that? Working few minutes per week? Day trading not your cup of tea. Sniper's mentality not your cup of tea. Trade options. Use positions long term. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is all I have for today. I hope you join us in the course. I hope you play markets with knowledge, not instant gratification. Every single tick in the market matters. Last day trading room will be open before we go into class tomorrow morning. Again, review all the information on the website under Learn. Group course 8-week, private mentoring 16 includes all group classes. Any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298, info@fibinstitute.com, and always and forever listen to graduates and see what they trade. Any instrument, any time frame. You want to review videos on the website, simply go to YouTube channel. Before you ever call me or contact me, pretty please review the information first. Always look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much, traders.